Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Stockwell baked beans and pork sausages. Alright, so we're going to hob cook this one. Alright guys, and that's what's on it. Let the camera focus. Alright. Okay. Now Stockwell is part of Tesco, as you know, or you might not know. It's like their basic range. So I thought I'd give these a close. Right. Tomato sauce tastes good. That's a good start. I'm actually quite surprised by Stockwell because although they are good value, they taste good. And I'll cook these up. And I'm not going to add any salt to it. I'm going to literally just as exactly how it is. So you get about 8 little sausages in there, which is good. Some of these are just all beans and 2 sausages. Cook them up a bit. A bit longer. Right guys, so we are using, I didn't think the flash was on there for a minute, so we're going to pour them over and see what we get. Today we're using clover guys, which is okay. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not. It doesn't taste of buttermilk. It doesn't taste of anything. Wow. Alright, so let's take a quick taste of this. Alright, so we're going to not bother so much with the bread, we're just going to concentrate on the sausage and beans. Yeah, they're nice then. Oh, okay, I'll go and have a piece of that. So I'm going to show you what the sausage looks like. So that's the size of one. Cut it open. That's what it looks like inside. Yeah, they actually taste very nice. You get a decent amount. That's covered like 4 slices of bread. That would do 2 people actually. You could make a meal for 2 on that. So that's good value. Not a sausage. Again, I'd recommend that, guys. Really nice. Great to have in the cupboard. And for those days when you just can't be bothered to cook. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.